my video. This was rushed, so I do apologize for that. But this is my hair before I did anything to it. Okay, this has to be a quick video because I don't have time, but I'm gonna wash my hair, blow dry. I'm gonna braid it. Then y'all gonna see the wig process. First step, I have my braids and they're all sewn up, as you see in the back. Second step, you put on the wig cap and you put it over your ears, almost touching your eyebrows. Then you get some Got2b glue spray. You spray that around your edges, around your hairline. Then you blow dry until it's clear and tacky all around your hairline. So I've cut the excess off. Sorry, I'm in a rush, can't show everything. And I'm about to apply a little foundation or something right here. Makeup, y'all will see that. And then glue in the wig. Okay, as y'all can see the difference, I applied some makeup. Now I'm gonna apply this wig. Oh my gosh, I look like a dyke. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention this step where I grabbed a napkin or a cotton ball will work too, and you just put alcohol on it so you can clean off all the makeup and oil off my forehead and surrounding areas so the glue can stick. I put the wig on with just the clips to see if this is where I want it, and it is. So now I'm going to bend it backwards and apply the glue. I did 3 layers. And I'm gonna do a better video when I have more time, but yeah, and I just put the frontal on. Now I'm gonna cut the excess lace and then do the baby hair. Okay, so I've cut the excess lace off. Y'all see that? It look like where it look like it's ashy and stuff. Straight glue. I'm gonna go back in with some ghost spine glue in case I missed any spots or any spots are lifting from me cutting off the excess lace. And then I'm going to part the baby hair rat tail comb, and then I'm gonna chop them up. Y'all finna see that. I think I did pretty good though. What y'all think? Shawty did good. So I've just cleared off. See this excess glue? You don't see no more dried up residue or nothing. But yeah, so I'm finna pull out my baby hairs and then y'all gonna see me cut them. This is the final look. I did some slight baby hairs. I really didn't need none. It looked natural already, but when it dry, y'all gonna see how it look good. Yeah. This is the final look. I'm gonna fire my hair and I'll upload some pics when it's styled. Hope y'all enjoyed my video. I know it's a rush, but the scarf is holding my baby hairs in place so they can dry and be like I want them. Be back to y'all when it's styled. In these pics, I'm just showing you how my hair was flat ironed, you know, straight. I forgot to say that I did my hair myself, so I'm very proud of myself. As far as I'm concerned, y'all don't even know how to look under here, but. And this is the final result after I did everything, styled it. And yeah, this is me with my makeup on for my birthday, because this is my birthday hairstyle. And yeah, your girl looks grown and cute, you feel me? If y'all want a more detailed video, let me know, because I know this was rushed. But thanks for watching.